beautiful nonces. Hope you're all doing well. I'm currently doing a series about what families are cooking around the world. The concept behind this is basically to showcase all the easy go-to recipes you can try out at home as well. I'm at my in-laws at the moment in New Zealand. Today I have my lovely mother-in-law Judy to show us a couple of easy classic dinner recipes you could also try out at home. Today we'll be doing two dishes. The first one is the beef curry casserole and the second one is steamed coffee caramel pudding. Let's get into it! Key ingredients of the beef casserole are apples, onion, and beef. So Judy, are you able to share a couple of tips about this beef casserole dish that you're preparing at the moment?
Sure.
Yeah.
I guess the main things are to make sure that you've got green apples because of the flavour for the dish.
Right, okay.
Which is a savoury dish, and the green apples tend to be tart.
Yep.
You can use any steak. I have used topside, but today I'm using chuck steak.
Okay.
Yes, I find that with the top side there's less weight,
Okay.
but the chuck steak is probably maybe a little bit more tender.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yes.
Which is very important for casseroles.
Yes, it
Yeah.
is. And then long slow cooking really is the next thing. Once you've assembled all the ingredients, pop it in the oven and an hour and a half to 2 hours.
Okay.
And it may possibly need a little bit more liquid, but as it cooks, just to check that.
Okay.
It's not too dry. Yeah.
Sounds good.
So choose something that says mashing on the bag, or ask your greengrowers, is this good for mashing? Having done that, cook them thoroughly. Mash very, very well. Adding butter.
Yeah.
An ounce or two of butter. The more butter, the creamier you'll get.
The more butter, the better.
Yeah.
Next dish is the steamed coffee and caramel pudding. Key ingredients are eggs, condensed milk, golden syrup, flour, butter, and steam pot.
So Judy, what are the few tips you've got for people who wants to make a great steamed pudding?
Well, the secret really is in the container. So you need maybe a stainless steel container with a lid, a bowl, made specifically for the purpose. Or if you have some kind of stainless steel container which you can top with foil and tie down. And the secret is to get the pudding quickly from your bowl, where you've mixed it up, into a pot of boiling water, with the water no further than halfway up your bowl, and cook it for the specified length of time. But keep the water simmering and watch that it doesn't dry out.
Great. So that's the key.
Yes, you might need to add some more water, depending on how long it takes to cook the pudding, which can vary.
So Steve, tell me, why are these two dishes so special to you?
Well, I guess the beef casserole is just like the classic meat and 3 veg, and it just takes me back to my childhood and something that reminds me of home. And it's probably the same for the caramel steamed pudding. It's been my favourite dessert since I was a little kid, so I always try and get mum to make it any time I come home.
Well, let's now have a look at the end results of the dishes. So what's the verdict, guys? Heck yeah, of course I love the food. They are all so hearty and delicious. Excellent winter dishes, I may say. Give it a try, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I do. Comment below if you would like me to explore other cultures for this series as well. I also do travel vlog, food vlog and reviews as well. Feel free to check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Hope you're all doing well. It's okay to slow down, Elaine. You don't need to rush through the line. You're actually talking to a friend there. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Okay, that's lovely then.
You've got all the bloopers.
Check out my other food contents if you haven't already. See you in my next video, guys.